In this video, you can learn about the regenerative braking system. Here, this is the arrangement of electric car. You are having the component like a battery pack and a DC to DC converter or controller. You are having the motor like this, and then you are having the differential unit, and rear wheels are connected into the differential unit. Here, there are rear wheel drive available, as well as front wheel drive available, as well as four wheel drive also available in the electric vehicle. There are two conditions. One is acceleration, and another one is deceleration. So we will see one by one. Here, first condition is acceleration. During the acceleration, what will happen? The battery pack converts the chemical energy into electricity. Here, the output of the battery pack will be the DC current. So if you give the acceleration, what will happen? The battery produces the electricity and it gives to the converter. Here the DC to DC converter available. In a DC to DC converter, you connected a lot of circuits like this. Here, according to the circuit, DC to DC converter gives the particular current for a required circuit. For example, you are having the auxiliary systems, means the lights will receive some current. After that, the RN will be available. RN receives some current. So if your circuit receives only 2 amps, means you should give the 2 amps current for a circuit. So this is the work for DC to DC converter or controller. You are having the inverter also. In a deceleration, the inverter will work. After that, you are having the motor. You can take a motor like a AC motor or DC motor. After that, the motor will be connected into the differential unit. So battery pack will produce the electricity during the acceleration. What will happen? The DC current gives to the DC to DC converter. This converter gives the current for a particular circuit. After that, the motor, you are having the motor also, the motor connected in a circuit also. So motor receives the DC current because battery will produce only the DC current. If you connect the AC motor, inverter converts the DC current to AC, so your motor will run on the AC current. If you connect the DC motor, the direct current will be given to the motor directly. Your motor will be run. Here, the motor, you will convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy. That means here the rotation uh, is a mechanical energy. This rotation will be given to the differential unit, and the wheel will receive this mechanical energy, and your vehicle will move forward direction. Here, this is the acceleration condition. What will happen in deceleration? Here, during the deceleration condition, current will flow towards the battery. Here, in the acceleration, your wheel will rotate. Your wheel also having some mechanical energy. During the acceleration, your wheel will be rotated. The wheel power, that means here the mechanical power will be available. This mechanical power will be given to the motor. Here the motor acts as a generator. So this generator converts the mechanical energy to the electrical energy. Here the electrical energy will be the AC current. This AC current is converted to the DC current by the use of inverter here. So AC current will be converted into DC current by the inverter. After that, the DC current will be given to the converter. Here the DC to DC converter uh, step out this DC current, and this current will flow towards the battery pack. Here the battery pack will be recharged during the deceleration condition. So this is the working of regenerative braking system.